Amiga floppy drive, the Amiga storage medium of the 90s. In today's world, it is a limited and increasingly unreliable format, and today I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to upgrade my Amiga 500 Plus experience. Meet the Gotek drive. Quite a few YouTubers have already done this mod, for example RetroManCave, but I will be adding a little twist to the setup that he shows, but I highly recommend that you check out his video after this one. So, as well as the Gotek drive, we are going to be using an old Cumana external floppy drive, a DF0 Selector drive, which is an important part for most games as they want to use DF0. So, with some time and patience, let's get stuck in. The mods that I'm going to apply to the Gotek are a new LCD screen, replacing the 3-digit display, and adding a sound mod too. I'm not going to show you in detail how this is done because somebody's already done an excellent video regards this, so I just recommend that you check out that video. Next we take the Cumana drive apart, and this is a little tricky. There are no screws holding it together, only clips, and I think mine just got stuck together with age. We give the case a good clean. Now the keen eye of you will see that there is a slight problem here. Ports do not line up with the Gotek. So I had to cut up a spare floppy cable and then painfully solder on all the connections. It was only the even pin numbers that are actually used on the Amiga floppy drive, so only needed 17 connections in total. With all that done, we put the case back together and then we move on to our Amiga 500 Plus. The DF0 Selector mod fits in place of the even CIA chip, which manages the floppy drive. The CIA chip is placed on top of the mod, like so, and then I'm using the FlashFloppy firmware, which is installed on the Gotek, and it can be installed via the USB A to A lead method. There's no need for a USB serial adapter with this, and you can watch this other video as well on detailed instructions on how to do that. With all that done, it's time to check out our work. I've transferred some ADF files onto a USB stick and set them up in FlashFloppy. And as you can see in Workbench, this is showing up as drive 0. We've done it. So this is going to really help with me playing games on the Amiga 500. I do have a nice collection of floppy disks still that have been donated to me by various people, but they are starting to fail sadly, and it's much more convenient just using a USB stick. So that's the latest with my Amiga 500 Plus. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.